Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-out effect like that in Canva. I'm going to show you two methods, one using frames and one using graphics. So to start, just open a new document and then go to Elements. You want to find a frame that you like. I'm just going to use the phone frame that you saw before, so let me just find it again. And then you want to find the photo that you want to use. I'm just going to use the one of the sky here, and you want to duplicate that one. So put one of those away for now, and then you want to place one of the pictures inside the photo frame. Double click it, you can just resize it a bit and set the location that you want. So I think that looks quite good. And then you want to take the second photo. To make sure that it's not being placed into the picture frame, press Ctrl and then you can move it around freely. You want to use the background remover so that you just have this person left, and then you want to align it so that it fits quite well. You can already see that I got the problem that the scale of the images is not the same. So to align and to set the right scale for both images, you can increase the transparency of the picture above. So just let me do it like that, and always make sure to press Ctrl when you move it around, and now you can see that it's quite a bit larger. So you want to decrease the size a bit and play around until it roughly fits. In this step, it's also sometimes helpful to use the arrow keys to try to align it. I think I still have to decrease the size a bit. So if you're happy with the result, you can increase the transparency again, and then you want to make sure that only the parts that you want stick out of the photo frame. So I just want the head sticking out of the picture frame, so I select the picture and then I just crop it down here. Just like that, you created a picture frame with the head popping out of it. Make sure when you're done that you group this so that if you want to resize it and rotate it or anything that you want, you don't have to start again by aligning and finding the right scale. The thing that it's quite annoying with this method is that you have to fight a bit with the scale for it to work. So another option is to do it with the graphics. So I'm just going to take the same guy again, increase the size a bit, duplicate this picture again and align it right away and use the background remover. And then I'm going to find the graphic that I want. I just typed in iPhone, but you can use whatever you want. This works quite well. And then just rotate it and then change the size. So now I have one whole picture, one picture with just the guy, and one picture or one graphic of the phone. Then you want to go on position and remove the phone layer in the middle. And now you want to take this picture and crop it so that it's only inside of the phone. In addition to cropping all the sides, you want to also increase the corner rounding so that you don't see anything of the picture from before. And then you can crop this photo again to only have the head sticking out. Using this method, you don't have to struggle finding the exact scale of the picture inside of the frame and the picture that you overlay. So that's a bit simpler in my opinion. But with picture frames, you have other options. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.